Hello guys, and welcome back to my first Christmas gift guide of 2019. Very excited, the Christmas content is here. If you haven't followed my Christmas gift guides in previous years, this is my 10th year doing them. I don't know where the time goes. This video is going to be all about beauty gifts, but I do also do what to buy her, what to buy him, stocking fillers under £20, and a kids gift guide as well. And this year I'm also introducing a video on my top 10 ways to have a more sustainable Christmas. So I hope you guys are looking forward to the rest of the series of Christmas content. As always, I'm very excited to make it, and it takes me a long time to compile all these lists, so I hope the videos will be helpful to some of you guys if you are thinking about your Christmas shopping. So without further ado, we're going to talk about the best beauty gifts on the market this year, and I really try to make these videos quite concise as the top 10 gifts, because I feel like, especially in the beauty world, we are so swamped with different launches, different things coming out, limited edition packaging, everything, and it's all so shiny and pretty, and it's really about cutting that down and thinking about what is actually worth the money and what you're actually going to use and what products are actually good and all of that stuff. So basically I've picked out my top 10 beauty gifts this year that I think really are worth the money and will stand the test of time in your makeup bag or on your dressing table, wherever it might be. So starting off with products that are part of limited edition collections this time of year. Brands obviously launch their gift sets, but they also launch Christmas limited edition collections. So I think possibly my favourite collection this year is from NARS. If you guys haven't seen their Studio 54 collection, it really is stunning. There are a lot of colours in there though that I probably wouldn't wear, especially lipstick wise, but the palette, the eyeshadow palette, is just gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It's got this beautiful kind of pink and purple star glittery design, which is gorgeous, and the colours inside, I think they've really hit the nail on the head when it comes to designing a palette that has all your everyday wearable neutrals, a few little shimmery moments, and then also a couple of bright pops of colour as well with the bright pink. That's also very on trend at the moment. The pink eyeshadow I think will be really nice for the festive season. Scary, but actually looks really good when it's on. And the pigmentation of NARS eyeshadows are fantastic. The palettes last a really long time. I've had a couple of these for numerous years and they still look like they've barely been used, and I've used them tons. So they're a really good option if you want something that's gonna like stand the test of time in your makeup bag. I believe this is £56, so quite pricey for an eyeshadow palette, but really lovely quality. Another top pick from the Christmas collections this year is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush Quad. Now this is from the Ghost collection, which is their holiday collection this year, which is different to a lot of their other packaging in the sense that Hourglass is usually this gorgeous bronzy gold colour, and they've gone see-through with the bottom tray and then silver on the top. So really pretty packaging. And then this blush quad, you get 4 different colours and they're really good variation. I feel like this one, or these two, you could use more of like a bronzy kind of sculpting vibe. They have a really gorgeous mauve as well as mauve blush, coral blush, pinky blush. And what I love about the Hourglass powders is they all have the perfect level of shimmer in them. So they're almost like a kind of highlighting blush at the same time. They add that really beautiful dimension to your skin. They're really gorgeous and blendable, while at the same time having the perfect level of pigmentation for a blush. Like, they're not too heavily pigmented. They're just really gorgeous, and they last such a long time. My Hourglass palettes that I've had for a really long time, and they look like I've barely used them. So this is £45 as well, which is a really good price point for Hourglass. I believe their full size blushes are pretty much that expensive as well, and the larger palette with the 6 is £75. So there's a big difference there. Like, I feel like this is a really good value palette for Hourglass. So that is it for my second kind of collection based gift. Moving on to fragrance. Christmas is always mad for fragrance. There's always new releases coming out left, right and centre. I've got 3 top picks this year. The first one being from Jo Malone. As always, no surprises here. Jo Malone is one of my favourite brands, and they absolutely nail it every single Christmas. This year they have brought out one of my favourite fragrances from them, Orange Bitters, in new format. So they bring this out, I think this is their 3rd Christmas that they've done it. Last year they had the 100ml fragrance, they had the like regular home candle, and they had the deluxe candle. This year they've launched the travel candle and the 30ml fragrance, which I'm so happy about because they're a lot more affordable when it comes to buying a Jo Malone gift. You obviously don't always want to be spending £100 or £50, hundreds of pounds, and the travel candle I believe is 22 and the 30ml fragrance is 45, so definitely a lot more of an affordable price point if you're buying for friends or for family and you don't want to break the bank on it, but you can still get that gorgeous fragrance. Jo Malone Orange Bitters is just my absolute favourite Christmas scent. It smells like Christmas and it's so divine. It's also one of the only scents that I really love wearing on myself as a fragrance, but also as a home fragrance as well. A lot of the time, like things like Pomegranate Noir I love as a candle, but I don't love it as perfume, and Wood Sage and Sea Salt I love as a perfume, but I don't love it as a candle. Things like that, like I tend to like them one or the other. This one is gorgeous for both, and I think it's such a nice gift. And also, if you are looking, hello Squidge, what are you doing? You gonna come and sit down? Hello, yes, very nice to see you. Hello Squidge. She's not for sale. She's not a gift this Christmas. A dog is for life, not for Christmas. Look at those eyes. So yeah, Jo Malone also, their Christmas collection this year is just absolutely stunning. They have all colours of teal and these gorgeous greens and gold. So a lot of their Christmas gift sets are in that limited edition packaging. These ones aren't, but they have the gorgeous gold labels. So definitely worth checking Jo Malone out for Christmas gifts, as per always. Every Christmas they absolutely nail it. The other fragrance gift that I think is gorgeous this year is from Chanel. They have released limited edition packaging for their No. 5 Low, their No. 5 classic fragrance, and also Mademoiselle. And it is this gorgeous, it's almost like a wintry sea, wintry snow globe scene with the fragrance at the center. Just absolutely stunning, and definitely something that you would keep as a gift. Like I just want to put it on my dressing table. It looks so pretty. And if you do wear No. 5 or Low or Mademoiselle, which a lot of people do, they're all really kind of classic cult fragrances, then it's a perfect gift this Christmas. I often feature some of the Chanel gifts because I think they really do. They make really special gifts. Like last year they did the red bottles, which I just think were absolutely amazing, and I know a lot of you love them too. So yeah, that's the Chanel kind of limited edition packaging this year. It's stunning. If you want to go for fragrance but you want something a little bit more affordable, the All Saints fragrances are so good, and they've released really nice gift sets this year. So this is the travel set, which comes with all 3 of the fragrances. There's actually 5 fragrances in the collection now, just to confuse you. They've released 2 new ones very recently, but they previously, before that, they had just the original 3, which is Sunset Riot, Metal Wave, and Incense City. So these are like the 3, it's like the full collection that they launched with. You get 3 15ml fragrances for £25. Really good price. They're all sprays, not rollables or like dip, like whatever. They're sprays. You need a spray with the fragrance. So good. And they all smell fantastic, and they come in this gorgeous box, which definitely I would totally reuse as well. And yeah, really good affordable fragrance gift this year. They also do the larger size gift sets with the full size fragrance and a travel size, which are essentially, they're £49 and they're the same price as buying just one full size fragrance. So I would 100% recommend, if you haven't smelt the All Saints fragrances yet, smell them. They're all unisex as well, and they all smell really good. I would wear all of them. Moving on to skincare. Skincare gift sets at Christmas, I feel like Elemis nail it every single year. They always have such a good selection of gifts, but they also do really good savings as well. So if you buy the gift, a lot of the time the actual RRP, if you're going to buy the products individually, is like double. So my 2 top picks from them this year, the first one will be the Pro-Collagen Superstars set, which is what is going to be one of my Christmas gifts to my mum this year, because she loves this skincare so much. My sister loves it as well. They're both completely addicted to the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream and use it as their daily moisturizer like every single day. This comes in a set with this gorgeous makeup bag, which is beautifully made. I feel like this is something that would last for a really long time. And you get the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream in, I think this is a 50ml, yeah, a 50ml size. And then you get a 50ml size of the night cream version of it. And then you also get the marine oil as well, so the full like marine set. So this will set you back £165, so it is pricey, but the actual product value is worth £253. So you are saving a lot. If Elemis is something that you use all the time, Christmas is the time to buy it. The other thing that I personally absolutely love from Elemis is their rose version of their cleansing balm. So this set I also really rate. This is £85, but I think it's worth 120, and you get the full size rose cleansing balm. You get a gorgeous rose candle. Elemis candles, totally underrated. I talk about them every year at Christmas, but no one else talks about them. They're amazing. You get the face cloth, which are really good, and you also get a Pro-Collagen Rose Hydro Mist, which is a really nice product as well. Really beautiful set. So a little bit more affordable, still on the pricier end of the skincare, but a really nice set as well. And then the other set that really caught my eye this year is one that's exclusive to Space NK, and this is from Somerville, another skincare brand that I really rate, especially for these products, which is the Exfoliate range. FYI, the exfoliator no longer contains microbeads, because I know that was a concern for some of you guys, including me actually. They took it out a couple of years ago now, but there's still that rumour going around that they have it in. It doesn't. So you get a 15ml of the Exfoliate, and you get a 50ml of the Exfoliate cleanser, and then you also get the Eradicate spot treatment. I've actually never used a spot treatment, but these two products are fantastic. This set is £40. It comes in a really nice gift box as well. So I think it's really good value for money. The products are fantastic, and that would be a really nice kind of very like nice treat gift, but not going to break the bank like the Elemis ones. Talking of Space NK gifts, that one is exclusive to Space NK. Another couple that are also exclusive to Space NK. They have so many good gifts at Christmas that are exclusives you can't get anywhere else. So a couple of the next ones are from them as well. I'll link everything below though, so you know like all the prices and where everything's from, etc. But my other pick, moving on to hair gifts, I've got two hair gifts, again, both from Space NK. The first one is the Olaplex Holiday Hair Fix set, and this seems really expensive. It's £54, but if you use and love Olaplex, you will know that this is actually really good value for money. I think you're saving around £20 buying them all together. So you get number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. So number 3 is the mask, number 4 and 5 is shampoo and conditioner, and then the number 6 is the Bond Smoother like leave-in conditioner. This set of hair products is so brilliant. I feel like to use this brand is to love it. Like, it just is so good. If you have color treated damaged hair, it's so brilliant. Such a nice gift set, and I feel like if you use Olaplex, this is a no-brainer. The other one that is brilliant is from Oribe, and this is their dry styling collection. Again, this is pricey because Oribe is a really pricey brand, but you actually are saving quite a lot of money by buying this. So it's £65, and in here you get the full size dry texturizing spray, which I think sets you back about £42 on its own, and then you get a travel size dry texturizing spray and a travel size dry finishing spray, both of which are around £20 to buy independently. So you save about £20 I think buying it all as a set, and it's all in really nice recyclable packaging. Really lovely gift set to receive. That would be on my Christmas wish list this year. So lastly, for beauty gifts this year, I have something from Dyson. Obviously last year was all about the Air Wrap, and that was like top of my beauty gift guide last year. This year they've actually just launched longer barrels for the Air Wrap. So if you currently own an Air Wrap and you have really long hair and you struggle that the barrels are not quite long enough to do your entire length of hair, which is an issue that I struggle with, it still works, but this is genius. So much better. These retail for £35, so you can buy either the 30ml width barrel or the 35ml, which is this one, and they are just that little bit longer if you have long hair. Perfect. And if someone already owns the gift wrap, this is a perfect gift for them. Perfect stocking filler if it's like within your budget, something like that. Or if it's just a friend and you know that they would love this, what an awesome gift that you can actually like add on to the Air Wrap. I also have a very special giveaway coming up with Dyson. So this is out now, but Dyson are launching something else, limited edition, before Christmas, which I can't talk about yet. I know about it, it's top secret. But if you keep your eyes on my Instagram giveaways, I'm actually gonna be doing an amazing giveaway with Dyson towards the end of the month. So keep your eyes out for that, because there is amazing limited edition stuff coming from them before Christmas. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and that is probably one of my top Christmas gifts. That's what I'm most excited for this Christmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you if you're looking for some beauty gifts this year. Like I said before, if you want to see my top gifts for her, for him, stocking fillers, kids, and my tips for a more sustainable Christmas this year, then make sure you come back to my channel, and there will be 2 videos going up every week for the next few weeks. So it's Christmas Central April already. I'm the Christmas elf, basically. As soon as it turns into November, I am all about the Christmas. So I will see you guys very soon, and I hope you're all well.